Assalamu alaikum dear students and good morning. I hope everyone okay at home and enjoying your holidays. Okay dear students, as we finished one chapter of our division, so today we will start our new chapter and that is unit 4 measurement and page number 118. Before that we are starting from the book. I will give you some information about measurement and the unit of measurement. Okay, measurement is to measure the height, weight, capacity or amount of certain objects or things. As we say the height means लंबाई, weight means जिसका वजन होता है और capacity जिसका मकदार होता है. So we will measure all these three things with measurement, and the measurement means shows how long is our things, how tall is our things, or we can say how far our things is. Now for this I have another lesson that is called length. Length is to measure the amount of something that is measured from one end to the other end called length. For example, this is my pen, this is one end and this is another end. So whenever I am measuring from this to this, I will use a scale. This is my scale. A scale shows the meter, centimeter or inches. Whenever we are doing or we are measuring small things, we use scales. If I done with a bigger one or a long one, that is called meter and I use a tape. I will give you more information about this, but before that we will start it from the length. Okay, for example, I will put my pen here and I will see that how long is my pen and I will check the length of my pen. So from this to this, now here it is 13 centimeter, means my pen is from one point to another point is 13 centimeter. If I put my pencil here, see, if I put my pencil at the top of the scale, so it is 12 centimeters. So my pen is 13, my pencil is this one, and if I put fork sticky, it is 11 centimeters. If I put a spoon, so this is called 18 centimeter. We can do all the measurements through this, and we can measure our things through scales. Okay, in length we have two types. One is a standard unit, another is non-standard unit. In a standard unit means to measure things or objects with millimeter, centimeter, kilometer और मीटर. इसका मतलब ये है कि हम अगर किसी चीज़ को मेजर कर रहे हैं तो वो स्पेसिफिक है, क्योंकि हम मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, किलोमीटर और मीटर मतलब ये है कि हम स्केल यूज़ करते हैं, हम टैब यूज़ करते हैं, हम कुछ और चीज़ें जो हम शॉप्स में देखते हैं, हम कुछ खरीदते हैं तो वहाँ पर भी अगर आप लोगों ने देखा है वो लोग मेजरमेंट करते हैं, तो दैट इज स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स दैट वी कैन डू इट. बट विथ नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट we can measure with a palm of hand. For example, if I said I will do like this, that how much the measure of this scale, like I will do by my hand, maybe by our foot also we can do, maybe with a stick also we can do. So that is not specific, maybe ऊंच नीच कुछ इस तरह हो जाएगा उसमें, लेकिन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट में बस सब कुछ फिक्स होता है तो वो चेंज नहीं होगा. After length, I have another one that is called centimeter. Centimeter also we can show it with cm means centimeter. Centimeter is used to measure the shorter things. For example, as I do it before, that spoon, pencil, pen, all these things that we measured before, that is called centimeter, and with centimeter we measure all small or shorter things. Another of this lesson is our meter. Meter is used for in standard unit of length or distance. We can measure our things with meter. For example, if I measure this table, so I will start it from here. See, I will measure this table up to this. So if I measure it, it is 26 centimeter. If I do it more, 29 centimeter. If I do it more, so this is 34 centimeter. I can can measure with meter because I said meter. The shorter things will be measured with centimeter, that we use scale, or with meter we can use step. I hope okay. And one thing more, remember dear students, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. As I give you information about measurement, length, centimeter or meter, now come to your books, unit 4, measurement, and page number 118. As I said, I can measure the height, weight and capacity of things or object. That is called measurement. And as I give you information about the length and non-standard, as I said, we can measure the things with a span of my hands. See, here is the pencil. The pencil is 5 paper clip long. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. I put 5 clips and I measure my pencil with clips. As I also paintbrush. Paintbrush is 8 paper clips long. I put paintbrush and I will use what clips. I can measure my paintbrush with clips. So I can measure it like this. Pen also, see, the pen is 4 sticks long. How many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks long. Okay, now see, all the things is here. The toy car is 2 sticks, 1 and 2. You can also measure your toys, everything. You can measure it and use sticks, clips, everything as whatever is simple for you. Okay, all the examples are there, dear students. We can do it now with hand spans long. See, hand spans I use, but this is not specific because this is non-standard unit of my length. This is non-standard. Why? Because I use hand span here. All I do like this. For example, if I measure my page of book, so I can use span like this. So this is not exact, not specific. If I use a scale, with a scale if I do, so this is specific because I am measuring this with centimeters. Is that clear to all of you? Now come to another one, your exercises, page 4.1. Measuring the length of these objects and then compare them. Now see, I will measure this one, then after that comparing. For example, see, the notebook is 4 sticks long. How many sticks? 4 sticks long. How many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks long. If I say the frame is 3 sticks long. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now this is 3 sticks long. Here I can write 4 sticks. Here I can write 3 sticks. Now I compare this. That this notebook is 4 sticks. This is 3 sticks. So the notebook is longer than the photo frame. Is that clear? Now come another example. Example B. The toothpaste is 5 paper clips long. How many papers? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can write 5. Another example is the crayon is 4 paper clips long. How many papers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now see, the spoon is 6 paper clips long. How many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we can write 6. Is that clear? Now has here written it's compare. We write the sticks. Now we compare this one. Come here and see, the toothpaste is smaller than the spoon. Why? Because here we can say that the toothpaste is 5 and the spoon is 6. So the spoon is bigger than toothpaste. Okay, the crayon is smaller than the toothpaste. We can write here smaller because crayon is smaller than toothpaste. Crayon is 4 and toothpaste is 5. And another one is the crayon is the shortest. Why? Because among all, here toothpaste is 5, spoon 6. So the crayon is 4. That's why it is shorter. And the spoon is the longest because spoon here we can say that 6 clips longer. Here 5 and 4. So this is the longest of my exercise. Okay, another one has we said that meter. As as I told you before that we can measure the things with meter, and we can do it with tape. Always we use tape because this is also the bigger one, so we cannot use it the scale as I told you before the table. See here also the example of table, that this is 1 meter, and as I told you that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. How much? 100 centimeter. Here another one, as I told you before about centimeter, that centimeter is always measuring the shortest thing. As I give you examples before about pen, pencil, forks and spoon, as we do it with a scale. So with a scale we can measure all the things, that is called centimeter, and centimeter always show with cm. Cm, the short form of our centimeter. Here see, here we can put it lollipop. Lollipop is also here measuring. It is measured from 1 to 9 centimeter, because this is the length of my lollipop, because lollipop here we have a stick also, remember this one. So another one here is candy. The candy is 3 centimeter because from one point started to another point, so this is called candy, and this is 3 centimeter. Whenever we are doing our things or we are measuring our things, so from one point to another point, and that is all. Okay, your another exercise about meter and centimeter. Before we do it with length, and now it is centimeter and meter. As you can see the things, if the things which is shorter we can use centimeter, as here is the smallest bag, that is centimeter, and here is rope, we can use it meter because rope is very longer than the bag. Another one is copy or book, you can say, this is also centimeter. Whenever we are measuring, we can measure with scale. See, I can measure with scale, no need of meter. Okay, the door is meter. Why? Because we always measuring the door with meter, not with scale. That's why I select meter for it. Okay, measuring and write the length of the given objects. As we can say that there is a meters taller, so all these things here I can write it 2 meters, because this boy or student, we can say 2 meters taller. As we said, we use tab, always we use tab for this. And another one is this cupboard is 2 meters long, as I use the tab and I do it like measuring with this. Another one is the car, this is 3 meters long, maybe this is toy car, that's why it is 3 meter long. And another exercise that is belongs to centimeter and meter, this is also the spoon. As I told you, spoon is always used with scale. Always we measuring the things whenever it comes to centimeter with scales. The spoon is 6 centimeter long, and another one is the pencil. The pencil is also 5 centimeters long, and here we can write 5 because from one point to another point here is 5. And another one is the eraser. Eraser from one point to another point, it is 4 centimeter. Here I can write 4, and the comb is also from one point to another point, it is 10 centimeter long. Okay student, this is all about your new chapter measurement in all the lessons that I have done it for you. I hope you learned this, and please study hard at home and practice this at home. If you have any question when you are coming to school, then ask me. Have a nice day and enjoy your holidays.